Apacer's technologies and products are used in various daily applications all the time, everywhere. Whether it's daily transportation or communication, daily work or entertainment, Apacer stores the most important memories for everyone. We record the most beautiful moments. Apacer is always with you to provide innovative technologies, to provide comprehensive and secure service, with high customization ability to fulfill all your requests. Apacer aims to become your ideal sustainable partner. Founded in 1997, Apacer is a leading global digital storage brand with comprehensive R&D, design, manufacturing, and marketing capabilities. Apacer is devoted to implementing our core values, becoming better partners. We deliver on our promises, strive for constant improvement, and develop solutions that are mutually beneficial for us and our customers. We provide the most reliable, diversified specifications of SSD and DRAM solutions to fulfill the needs of industrial applications. Through much research, Apacer understands the characteristics of different fields and provides the best solution for each. Deeply focused on storage applications and thanks to a strong, award-winning R&D team, Apacer continues to develop value-added technologies to provide the best products. To offer customers high-quality products and meet customers' requirements, Apacer has introduced a quality management system to ensure that all stages of operation and production comply with policies and specifications and achieve established goals in accordance with the PDCA cycle, as well as to ensure that product quality is retained through systematic management methods. Operate locally, but think globally. In addition to focusing on product R&D, we also prioritize sustainability initiatives. We're dedicated to enhancing corporate governance performance and addressing environmental concerns by implementing strategies for waste reduction and carbon emission reduction. Our commitment extends to supporting our employees through long-term talent development programs and fostering a diverse, equitable, and mutually beneficial workplace environment. Furthermore, we actively engage with society by supporting local farmers, social welfare groups, and other initiatives to demonstrate our commitment to making a positive impact. The core values of our brand, becoming better partners, are upheld across all stakeholders.